a role in afternoon storms.
Meteorologist Ricky Matthews joins us live now from Fort Monroe in Hampton to talk about how the humidity can impact how much rain we see.
If you've been outside recently, you certainly know the humidity has been high, and that has played a role in our thunderstorm and flooding risk today across the region. Let's take a look at the dew points and see how high they are. Dew points across the area, they're up there into the mid 70s, in some spots upper 70s. Now, the higher the dew point, the more moisture there is in the air. And the more moisture there is in the air, the higher the risk for any type of flash flooding because of heavy rainfall. So let's talk about these summertime storms. And most of the time, when we get the summertime storms, they're slow moving. They don't really race across the landscape like a lot of our spring or fall thunderstorms do. They're being carried by frontal systems. So these slow moving storms, they can pose a risk for flash flooding. And the reason for that is because they can have such high rainfall rates. And those rainfall rates, often 1 to 3 inches per hour, can just overcome and kind of exaggerate the impact from flooding because there's so much rain coming down, the storm drains can't keep up with it, and then you just get that ponding of water. Now, why do storms move slower in the summertime? Well, it's all related to the wind speed, and not so much the wind speed that you feel at the surface, but the wind speed several thousand feet up in the atmosphere. When those wind speeds are really weak, the thunderstorms just kind of crawl along. They don't move too fast. But if those wind speeds are stronger, like we often have in the spring and fall and winter when the jet stream's a little faster, we can get faster moving thunderstorms, and those don't pose as much of a risk for flash flooding across the area. So as you're out and about tonight, or even anytime we have summertime storms, if it's been raining for a long period of time or that storm's just sitting over one spot for a long period of time, that's when your flood risk is going to go up. And of course, higher humidity can also cause your flood risk to go up. For more on tonight's flood risks, I'll toss things back into the studio to meteorologist Don Slater.
Okay, thank you, Ricky. Taking a look at what's going on.